Hi guys. Hi. Hi cousins. Good morning, good morning, good morning. How was your weekend? It's currently Monday and this is almost 2 p.m. in the afternoon. And I'm not just waking up actually, but I woke up around. Sorry guys, there was a noise in the background, so I have to stop. I'm currently making spag. That's why you can hear the noise of the gas cooker there. And I'm also cleaning the house. Like this week, I want to be so productive. Like I will not even take no for an answer. I'm vlogging and I'm gonna post a vlog this week. Yeah. So I'm cooking spag and I'm also cleaning the house. I'm kind of doing it simultaneously. Ignore my hair bonds, please, please, please. I'm trying to maintain this hair as much as I can. At least it should last me for like 2 weeks at least before I'll take it off and do something else with it. But then yeah, that's like the quick updates and welcome to my vlog. If you're new here, you're officially my cousin, so please subscribe before you leave. And if you're old here, my bestie, my bestie, my bestie, my bestie. Guys, please ignore the noise, please. Let's get done with the spaghetti and cleaning the house. I'll freshen up. I have to shoot some content if there is light too, because they just took our lights now. And that's because I didn't wake up on time, because the lights actually lasted like since last night, but I didn't wake up on time. So if they bring the lights again, I have to shoot some skincare content for my YouTube short, and that's more like it. We'll get into the video later. Okay.
I touch that 5 for you. I do that 3 4 times again. I testify for you. I told her like you, that bitch. I do it all, and I'm around. You're scared to do it. I'm not. As long as you joking, now here for me. Better under you, I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody's nobody like you do. I can't lose.
Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go fambo. As that day comes, as I go on, God, watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go on, God, watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors.
Like a glance from the past, you can see the dark in the frame. You're the poster on the wall. My dreams, you the prince, and I'm the car. Fairy tales, I'm not used to it. Oh, got me questioning what you've done. You used to be out of reach. Feel like you're testing me. You're the defense. Keep full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be mine. You said you wanted with my heart, didn't think it ever be so hard. Quickly I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Cause you said I wanna drown. I need to hear it from you, but can we know you tell me how to fuck me up?
So guys, let's eat. Yeah, while I'm eating, I just remembered something that happened the day I went to go and make my hair. I forgot to add this story to my other video, my last vlog. Sorry, but I'm gonna add it here because it's scary and at the same time it's I don't know what it is. I cannot explain exactly what it is, but let me explain to you guys. So I got into the bus going to the marketplace where I'm supposed to like get my hair done, close to the place I'm supposed to drop, like my bus stop. I kind of imagined, I don't know if this has ever happened to you, like you imagine a scenario where something happened. It's not a realistic scenario, like you just imagine it in your head. Not even what if, no, that's not what they did. You just saw the, like you saw something happen in your head and it just happened in real life. Tell me why I imagined this man stopping me or dropping me at my bus stop, like the bus stopping at my bus stop for me to come down and hitting someone because of me, like stopping because of me and then hitting someone. I swear to God, I saw it happen. I didn't see the person being hit, or like if he's a man or a woman, like I didn't just see the exact thing, but I just know that I imagined something in my head, you guys, and it happened. This man literally stopped, not just for me, because that bus stop is like a general bus stop. A lot of people came down from the bus at the same bus stop. But tell me why this exact thing I thought happened. Because these Lagos drivers will be driving like as if their life is double. You're driving and you're moving your car, like you're moving the bus anyhow. Everybody in the bus was shouting, why are you moving the car? Like, this is not even where you're supposed to stop. The bus stop is like there and you're stopping here. And meanwhile, there are market people around. You know, all those women that sell things. And someone was bent down trying to buy something. That's how this man hits this woman. I was like, didn't I just see this happen? Didn't I just imagine this happen? The way I exited that scene, I left that place before you know it. Because I don't know what happened. Like, I was just so confused because I saw this. Like, I literally saw this in my head. And I just, overlooked it because God forbid. I just said God forbid, and and it just happened. And I'm not even talking about just hating this woman. You know those women that bleach a lot. Her skin is all those, I don't even want to mention any tribe, but like her skin was so soft that little heat dipped in. Guys, I can't even start explaining. I can't start explaining because it's not a good thing at all. It was disgusting to see. I had to leave the place immediately. Everybody was now gathering. The woman was really bleeding. I just had to go. I left. Then when I was leaving, I was asking myself, did I just see this thing happen? Like, Jesus Christ. I don't know. If God is trying to tell me something, I really don't know. I don't know, but that was a scary one, to be honest. It was so scary. I can't. You guys, my love for eggs, yeah? I bought eggs and I have fried eggs. I'm not from Ghana. Please let me enjoy my egg. Okay, you see egg, me, I'm egg. We are like this. We are like this. So guys, I'm going to have to draw you guys out later on when I'm done eating. I might just take some nap, a little bit of nap, because I'm having headache and I've had this headache since morning. I know how my headache works is that I just have to sleep and wake up into disappear, especially if I don't want to take medicine. So I'm gonna eat, freshen up, and I'll take some nap, and I'll grab you guys out again so we see what we can do. Okay, all right. Let's get to work now, guys. Let's get to work now. And I'ma grab it, guys. Guys, I don't know what's wrong with me, yeah? Anytime I eat these days, I feel this pepper in my nose. I don't know why. My husband says I need to treat. No, I need to take antibiotic injection or whatever. I don't know. He seems to be a doctor to me. So yeah, I'm gonna shoot some makeup content and I'll just go to sleep after that, and I'll see you guys tomorrow, like I said before. But my nose hot. It's not, it can't come out, it can't go in, it just feels pepper like in between. Like, guys, what could that be? I look good, babe. Good night. Hi guys. Oh, let me off my phone. So hi guys. This this is currently, oh my god, it's currently 1 a.m. in the morning, right? Oh, yeah, it's 1 a.m. in the morning. Let me show you. And I just finished creating content and I'm about to go to sleep. It's how do I in fact do this, right? Yeah, 1 a.m. or 1:05 a.m. in the morning. And I just finished shooting the makeup content. Took out the makeup, it's giving, right? I know. And I'm about to go grab some spaghetti from the pot. This is 1 a.m. I'm eating by that time. It's not bad, but I don't care. I'm hungry, I'm starving. So I will eat and then I'll go to sleep. Yeah. What activity do we have tomorrow? I'm looking at washing my clothes. I mean, not a lot of time though. Or yeah, washing clothes and doing some cleanup and arranging the house. Probably tomorrow we'll definitely get something quite serious and productive to do. Definitely. Ouch, it's itching already. Girl, you gotta stay here for 2 weeks. Relax, chill out. So yeah guys, that's it. How y'all doing? I'll talk to you guys in the morning, okay? Bye.